Cash to Cashflow Network. We are a financial literacy network where we educate, equip, and empower people just like you to gain control of their financial lives. And we do that through doing what we call leveraging the power of relationships. And I want to extend an invitation to you on behalf of the person who sent you to this website to join up with us. Because just like we are empowering others, we want to help you break out of the bondage of being dependent to someone else for your source of income. You don't have to do that. So we invite you to join up with Cash to Cashflow Network. Financial Lit Bits. Lit Bits are just what we call little bits of financial literacy which could change your financial life. Financial Lit Bits. But to begin, I'd like to formally introduce myself. My name is Charles Grant, and as founder and developer of this network, I'd like to thank you for visiting and also commend you for taking action to search out answers and solutions. Because when you seek, you absolutely will find. So before getting started, I just wanted to let you know that I'm a real person, I have a real life, and I even have a real wife, and you see her pictured there. Okay? So just a few shots of us just to let you know that we're real. Today I want to highlight some truths. Now why? Well, because truth has the power and ability to set you free. We're going to address the knowledge, the opportunity, and the actions that are necessary in order to make that happen. So let's begin with truth number one. And we're looking at the United States of America and statistics reported by the Social Security Administration per 100 people reaching age 65 or retirement. Per 100 people. And we're talking about all of the wealthy, educated people that we have in the nation. Only 1 per 100 has managed to become rich, while an additional 4 have become financially independent. 5 out of every 100 are still dependent on needing to work. And you see a lot of those people at places like, Walmart, McDonald's, and other places like that. 28 are dead, and the majority, 62, are dead broke. Now, these are the statistics, folks, and it means that most people, after working a full lifetime, end up broke. And so my question is, what, if anything, are you doing to create the financial reality that you want for yourself? Because allowing things to just happen, these are the results. So where do you see yourself fitting in those statistics? And if you don't like the outcome, then you've got to do something to change that for yourself. Truth number two. We're going to talk about 3 challenges that can hinder your financial progress. Challenge number 1 is taxes. All of us have to deal with taxes. And on average, people are spending 1/3 of their income just to pay taxes. All of the federal income tax, the Social Security tax, the state and local tax, all of those add up to 1/3 of that gross income. And so that's a tremendous burden. That means that people spend 3 months out of 12 months every year working just to pay taxes. And the other 9 months you're working to take care of your family. Challenge number 2 is inflation. Because as the government continues to print money, it means that the purchasing power of the dollar goes down, which inflates the cost of the goods and services that we need to purchase. So as that continues to bump up year after year, it takes more dollars to purchase the same amount of goods and services that it previously took. So that's another challenge. And then number 3 is debt. And most Americans are carrying some debt load, and on average it's around 30%. Some are a lot higher, while some, manage to keep their debt lower. But again, about 1/3 of a person's income is going out just to pay the debt load on all the spending, okay, that has occurred. Now, there are some ways to manage these three challenges, and you can legally reduce your tax liability if you position yourself appropriately. And by earning additional income or cash flow, you can reduce or eliminate your debt load as well as overcome inflation. And we're going to show you how you can do that. Challenge number 3 is, we're going to illustrate that between looking at two different groups of people. Employees on one hand and independent business owners on the other. Because both earn income. The difference is when employees earn income, the first thing out of that income is taxes. It's deducted automatically from the paycheck. Whereas independent business owners get to earn income and then spend that income. And many times that spending is on tax deductible items, which means that while employees get to, or are required to pay their taxes first, and then they have to spend or live on what's left, the net income. On the other hand, independent business owners pay taxes on what's left, if anything, because a lot of times the income is consumed on tax deductible items, and so the tax burden for an independent business owner can be reduced all the way to zero. You have things like a home-based business deduction, and then you've got thousands of business-related expenses that can be deducted from that earned income, such as computer expenses, internet, cell phones, auto expenses, travel, even entertainment, and there are a lot more. So it makes a difference on how you earn income. But that's challenge number 3. Here's what I want you to know. All of these problems can be solved through doing what we call connecting the dots. That means that by simply connecting with a few other people who want to improve their financial lives, you have the ability to significantly increase your income and solve those challenges that we just looked at. And you do that by leveraging the power of relationships. So we are Cash to Cash Flow Network, and we invite you to learn more. You can learn how to break the financial bondage that most people are caught up in, and to do that, just visit us at www.cashtocashflow.com and learn how we're doing it and the implications that lie in you joining up with us. So take care for now, and we'll see you soon on another episode of Financial Litbits.